Hello, in front of me I have REALME P3, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restart this device. Alright, so let's begin. We have two methods how we can do it. The first and the most common method is a reboot using the power menu, and the second one is a forced restart. Let's begin with the first method. The first method, which is by the power menu, is recommended when we have access to the phone, when the phone works normally, when it's not lagged, basically when it's responsive. To launch the power menu, we need to click the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now, as you can see, the power menu appeared. Now all you need to do is to simply drag this white ball into the restart. Now release your finger, then the REALME logo will appear on the screen, then it will disappear, and after a few seconds the device will be automatically turned on back again, and it will be ready to use. So that's the first method. Now let's go for the forced restart. To force restart the device, this method is recommended when the phone is lagged, basically when it's unresponsive, and when the normal reboot doesn't work. To force restart the device, simply hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time for a longer period of time. Simply hold both of the buttons until the phone turns off. Okay. Keep holding. And when the phone vibrates, we can release our fingers. As you can see, the REALME logo appeared right now on the screen. And now within seconds, it will be automatically turned on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.